How to fix keeps vibrating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, install Nice Cache app. Open Play Store. Click on search. Search Nice Cache app. Click on Nice Cache app. Here you will see Nice Cache app. Select app that you want to install. After selecting, click on install. After click on install, Nice Cache app will be installed from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off notification alerts. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on notifications. Click on app notifications. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to turn off notification alerts. After selecting app, turn off this button. After turning off this button, notification alert will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. Click on advanced settings. Here you will see repeat notification alerts, and if you want to turn off repeat notification alerts, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, the repeat notification alerts will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see install or update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.